Barangay Bagong Buhay, Barangay Council Resolution Number 4, Series of 2024. A barangay resolution creating free tutorial program to elementary students of Barangay Bagong Buhay, Project 4 Quezon.
I recognize the representative from Barangay Bagong Buhay.
Good morning po. Unang barangay si Restina Martinez of Barangay Bagong Buhay. I'm with Kagawad Christine Joy Pineda and Kagawad Sunny Tumla, also with our Secretary, Joan Go. Good morning po.
Kap, ayan. Sige. Iya, ito.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Christine Joy Pineda, Committee on Education. Proponent of Barangay Council Resolution Number 004-S-2024, a barangay resolution creating free tutorial program to elementary students of Barangay Bagong Buhay, Project 4 Quezon City. So, ito pong resolution na to is about free tutorial supporting. Okay na po.
Madam Chair,
Any comments from the members of the committee?
no further discussion, Madam Chair. I move that we approve resolution number 004 of series of 20 Barangay Bagong Buhay.
Second.
Okay, with no further discussion, a motion duly seconded. Barangay Resolution Number 4, Series 2024 of Barangay Bagong Buhay was passed.
Galing yung barangay secretary niya eh.
Thank you po.
Next item, Barangay Council Resolution Number 14, Series of 2024. A barangay resolution requesting the Quezon City Council to enact an ordinance regulating the flow of traffic, classifying parking areas and designating certain streets as one-way and one-side parking at Barangay Bagong Buhay, District 3, Quezon City.
Good morning to everyone. Ako po si Daw, proponent po ng Barangay Council Resolution Number 014-S-2024. A barangay resolution requesting the City Council to enact an ordinance regulating the following flow of traffic, classifying parking areas and designation certain streets as one-way and one-side parking at Barangay Bagong Buhay.
Madam Chair. With your permission, Madam Chair.
Yes.
I move that we approve Barangay Council Resolution number 014 of Barangay Bagong Buhay without further discussion.
Second.
It has been moved and seconded. Barangay Council Resolution Number 14, Series 2024 of Barangay Bagong Buhay was passed.
Refer, consent.
And it shall be referred to the City Council for the proper action.
Thank you so much. Thank you po, Tony.
Next.
Next item.
Next item, Executive Order Number 22, Series of 2024. An Executive Order appointing Ms. Caitlin Amante as Child Representative of Barangay Bagong Buhay, District 3, Quezon City.
Ay, mayroon pa ba nakahalo sa border card?
May recognize the representative.
Madam Chair, I move that we omnibuously discuss Executive Order number 022 and 023.
Second.
A motion duly seconded. Executive Order Number 22 and Number 23 shall be discussed omnibuously by this committee.
Kap, yung dalawa.
Yes po, si Miss Lisel de Guzman po is talagang staff na po namin siya. Matagal na po, kaya and as a solo parent, sa tingin ko po siya po yung pinaka dapat para dun sa pwesto na yan, para to facilitate registration of solo parent, to assist available benefits para sa mga solo niya, and then coordinate with the government agency para and perform the relative function as may assigned po.
Madam Chair, I move that we approve executive order number 022 and 023, Barangay Bagong Buhay.
Second.
It has been seconded. Executive Order number 22, series of 2024, and Executive Order number 23, series of 2024 were passed into law.
Executive Order 2022 and Series 2 2024, appointing Kathleen Amante as a child representative of Barangay Bagong Buhay po.
Sir, ano po yan? Executive?
Meron ba?
Okay na po.
Passenger
Sorry
na
po. Excited lang.
Dilawan na nga, dito tsaka
Sorry, sorry.
That's all for
Gusto mo pa magtagal pa, ha?
Nalito lang. Maraming salamat po at magandang hapon.
From Barangay Sacred Heart, Executive Order number 7, series of 2024.
Ilan ba yan? Ilan?
An executive order designating Ms. Corazon H. Olegario as solo parent focal person of Barangay Sacred Heart, District 4, Quezon City.
Opo.
Good morning, everyone. I am Punong Barangay Camille Maring David of Barangay Sacred Heart. With me is our Secretary, Jonah Galoyo. So, Executive Order number 007.
Stop. Dali lang. Madam Chair, I move that we omnibussly discuss executive order number 7 and number 8.
Second.
Okay, therefore, it has been moved and seconded. Ordinance number 7 and 8. Executive Ordinance, Executive Order number 7 and number 8, series of 2024 of Barangay Sacred Heart shall be discussed on this.
Madam Chair, considering that this is only a designation for the focal person of Barangay Sacred Heart and focal person ng Barco ba to? Housing Community Development, Kapitana. Kailan ba yung Silog Good Housekeeping nyo?
Sa next week po kami.
O di aapot pa pala to. Aapot ito. I move that we approve executive order number 7 without number 8 without further discussion.
Second.
Thank you po.
On motion duly seconded, ordinance or executive order number 7 and number 8 was passed.
Bilis, no? Bilis, no? Pag nga magaling nila yung secretary, bilis, no?
Okay.